A process server named Ernesto Herrera says he tried to serve subpoenas at Ken Paxton's home in McKinney on Monday morning for a civil lawsuit filed against Paxton and others seeking to stop criminal prosecutions of abortion providers.
We're hoping to be able to go back to funding abortion for pregnant Texans who are now forced to travel out of state because of the trigger ban.
Herrera says he introduced himself to Paxton's wife, Angela, who said Paxton was on the phone and that he was in a hurry to leave. Herrera says he waited in his car outside the home for approximately an hour, that he saw Mr. Paxton exiting the garage, and that he walked up the driveway approaching Mr. Paxton and called him by his name, and that Paxton ran back inside the house. And that 7 minutes later, Paxton and his wife got in their vehicle, and that Herrera loudly called him by his name and stated that he had court documents for him, but that Mr. Paxton ignored him and left without accepting the subpoenas. The Attorney General responded on Twitter suggesting he fled because he feared for his life, that he's being attacked for having the audacity to avoid a stranger lingering outside my home, and calling it a shameless stunt by my political opponents.
I do think the timing of the lawsuit as it relates to abortion in Texas almost certainly has a political dynamic to it. And I think it's understandable that he may have truly been rattled and perhaps even concerned.
Paxton's Democratic opponent, Rochelle Garza, responded on Twitter, calling Paxton a coward and saying, "Run, Ken, run." This latest incident happens as the most recent WFAA Texas Hispanic Policy Foundation poll shows Paxton leading challenger Rochelle Garza by 5 percentage points, but with 8% of likely voters saying they are still undecided. Meanwhile, Paxton did not have to attend the federal court hearing in Austin anyway. Tuesday morning, a judge dismissed the subpoenas the server tried to deliver. In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.